chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got seasoned and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some oxtails right here. I'm about to clean them up, let them marinate, and we'll put these bad boys on the grill. It's gonna be my first time doing oxtails on the grill. So come rock with your boy. Okay, so we're using top of there. This the little marinade sauce right here. I'm putting together. We have that roasted garlic teriyaki sauce, marinade sauce, teriyaki marinade sauce. We have our red vinegar right here, our red vinegar right here, and our soy sauce. So that's how we looking. I tap it there, get it on there. So I'm doing this by myself, so bear with your boy. Soy sauce. Red vinegar. That's that roasted garlic teriyaki marinade sauce. Boom. There we go right there. Oregano. We'll do our seasoning now. So we'll put this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it marinate for a couple hours. Paprika, a beautiful color. Italian, never leave home without it. The family been tearing my Italian seasoning up. It's one of my best seasonings right here, this Italian. And then our basil. Alright, so that's how we looking right there. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything in. We're gonna throw that bad boy, some foil over it, put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. Okay, we're gonna use another seasoning. We're gonna use some of that OBAY seasoning. You know, it's good for seafood, chicken, any type of meat. You know what I mean? That OBAY seasoning. So we're gonna put some of that OBAY in there. some of this hot honey. And now we're gonna mix everything up and have everything come together like cheddar. See you in a couple hours. Alright, so just go ahead and put our chocolate on there. We ain't gonna do nothing special. I ain't gonna put no seasoning on the wood, none of that stuff. We just go ahead and light this bad boy up and call it a day. So we go ahead and let these oxtails smoke. I'm gonna turn the camera back on once we get ready to put the oxtails on. Alright, so here we go right here. We got oxtails. Look, nice marinade. So instead of 3 hours, I let them marinate for 5. So we're gonna put them right there. That's how we're looking. We have our couple little oxtails on there. Like I said, it's my first time smoking some oxtails on the grill. So on the smoker anyway. So it's my first time smoking some oxtails. Our wood is started. We should go ahead and let them smoke for 3.5 hours. All right, so we have the temperature is on 350. So we want that to come down to 300. I'm just gonna smoke it just like that. Okay, so we've put our little spray together. We use some pickle juice. A little apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna use this Pepsi. So we go ahead and put everything in the spray bottle. Okay, so it been smoking for an hour. Now you should just spray it up real good. Back up. Boom. So we got an hour in of smoking. We have 2 more hours. So I set it on top. You just go let it just do its thing for the rest of the 2 hours. I'm not gonna bother it. Just go let it do its thing. Then we're gonna throw it in the oven. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. We have an hour left. It's getting late. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. We got 2 hours on the smoker. These bad boys going straight in the oven on 375 for 1 hour. Okay, so that looks good right there. 2 hours on the smoker. Alright, so we have our garlic, our onions, our green onions, all chopped up. The white onion. Alright, our spray. We're gonna use that also. We'll go ahead and cover it up. It's going in the oven on 375 for 1 hour. Okay, so here we go right here. You can just pull that bone right out of them oxtails right there, right out of that meat. Look at it. You can pull that bone right out. Same with this one right here. Your buddy made it happen right here in this good kitchen. Well, first we started outside, and then we bring it to the kitchen. So this 2 hours smoke on the smoker. I had to bake it for a little longer. So this 2 hours and 45 minutes in the oven on 375. Now remember, everybody's oven is different. So if you want to go a little longer, you go a little longer, but nah, I have to go a little longer. 2 hours, 45 minutes in the oven, 2 hours on the smoker. And that's how we looking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. And when I say that meat is tender, watch this right here. That's extra tender, look. Yes, sir. That's extra tender.